Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel as you always know that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. And in this video for today there is no exception because I have compiled the best collections of white half moon acrylic nail designs for you my gorgeous queens. So in order for you to enjoy this video, I urge you to watch this video to the very end. So if you are seeing the channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, so ladies watching the video, you see that these nails look so good and gorgeous. You can rock these nails to any occasion as you so wish. So watch to the end and pick your best slide. And don't forget that you can even combine 2 or 3 designs and make on your nails. Okay, so as you watch, kindly support this channel by liking this video. Like the video and feel free to share this video to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. I also say a very big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and also engaging. Trust me, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. So at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my video or my channel in general. Thank you guys so much. I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.